Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and the tool. You have a backup copy. Now open DB Browser for Sqlite and load the DB file. Once loaded, look at the Structure tab to confirm tables and columns because that informs every change you make. Make sure to switch to write mode before editing so your edits persist, otherwise you will only preview. Also glance at file size and encoding so future imports behave predictably. Now you perform the core changes and queries. Use Browse Data when you need to inspect or edit individual rows. Click Edit Cell for small fixes, but prefer SQL for bulk changes. In Execute SQL, write select or update statements, wrap multiple changes in begin, commit to avoid partial updates. When importing CSV, match delimiters and types, and add indices afterward for speed. Once done, rerun select to verify results and spot any type or encoding issues. Finish by committing and exporting your work. Use right arrow write changes, then export tables or the full database to SQL or CSV for sharing or versioning. Run vacuum to reclaim space and analyze to refresh the query planner after big changes. If something goes wrong, for example, the database is locked or writes fail, check for other open connections, verify file permissions, or enable WAL mode to reduce locking. These steps resolve most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.